Springhurst, Principal Drake here, coming to you from a tree for this week's Springhurst Challenge. This week, the challenge is to go out into nature and find art, or use items you find in nature to create art. Take a picture of what you make and put it on our Padlet so we can all enjoy your creations. Here is my friend, Miss Guagenti, to tell us more.
Hi guys, welcome to my outdoor art studio. Today we're going to create art from nature. We're going to be inspired by the work of Andy Goldsworthy, who uses nature and elements of nature to create his art. He may use rocks, pebbles, leaves, flowers, twigs, whatever he can find to create a work of art. We're going to do the same. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi everybody. I love this project of art in nature, and I have watched so many art lessons at Springhurst that I have some great ideas. This plant reminds me of squiggly lines. Look at this. Look how it bends and curves, just like so many of the lines you make in your art projects. This is definitely art in nature, and it's beautiful.
Hey everybody, how are you? It's Mr. Cavallo. Check out the new hairdo. What's with the curls? Well, this week I'm trying to channel my best Bob Ross. Who's Bob Ross? Bob Ross is a famous nature artist. And this week our principal's challenge is to either find art in nature or to create art with nature. So take a look. I'm standing out here in a rainstorm today, and I'm taking a look at this cool little pond near my house, and I'm enjoying and appreciating all those circles being made by the raindrops hitting the surface of the water. So Bob Ross would have really liked that. So I hope you can find some cool art or make some art of your own in nature. See you next time, boys and girls. Or as Bob Ross would say, groovy and peace.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Terry. Look what I've been doing today, playing with rocks. I was inspired by the incredible artist, Jeff Goldsworthy, who uses things he finds in nature to create beautiful pieces of art. I love that you can arrange and rearrange your work and use anything that you find in nature. So go outside and find opportunities and inspiration. I can't wait to see what you come up with.